Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on one iPhone using a couple of simple and reliable methods. The easiest and safest way is by using WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business together. First, download WhatsApp Business from the App Store. Open the app and tap Agree and Continue to accept the terms. Since you already have a regular WhatsApp account, WhatsApp Business will ask you if you want to use the same phone number. Tap Use a different number to create a second account. Enter the phone number for your second WhatsApp account and type in the one-time code sent to that number to verify it. If you previously used WhatsApp with that number and have an iCloud backup, you can choose to restore chat history. If not, tap Skip. Next, enter your name and choose a profile photo if you want. When asked to select a business category, choose Not a Business and tap Done. Follow the remaining setup steps, tap Continue if prompted, and finish the setup. To avoid confusion between the two apps, go to WhatsApp Business Settings, tap Notifications, and customize the sound or badge style so you can easily tell which app is which. You now have two fully separate WhatsApp accounts running on the same iPhone. Another way to use two WhatsApp accounts is by using WhatsApp Web. On your second phone or device where the other WhatsApp account is already active, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, then Linked Devices, and tap Linked Device. Verify your identity if prompted. Now, on your iPhone, open Safari and go to Google. Tap the menu icon near the address bar and choose Request Desktop Website. Search for WhatsApp Web and open the official site. A QR code will appear on the screen. Use the second device to scan the QR code. Once linked, you'll be able to access and use the second WhatsApp account directly from your iPhone browser. You can send and receive messages through WhatsApp Web, and in many cases it will continue working even if the second device is offline. And that's how you use two WhatsApp accounts on one iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.